of the reasons why we developed MarineMax Yachts was to allow our customers 50 foot and above to take advantage of other resources within our company. One of them was the larger boats that we offer through Xandar, through Azimuth, through the Galleon line, and we wanted them to have a place to go and look at charter and look at destinations and also crew placement. A lot of these boats need to have crew. We wanted to be part of that and make sure we helped our customers not only with the service side and finding the right yacht, but also helping them find the right captain and the right crew. The resources that our company brings to the table, from financing to different getaways and destinations around the country, has really been a big part of making MarineMax Yachts what it is today. And the last part of it is the stores. We have 70 plus stores nationwide. So as our customers buy in the state of Florida, let's say, and in the summers go up to the Northeast, they still have the reach up there to take advantage of our service and our resources that are in those areas as well.